right now. Splitting balls, best shit on the tube, you heard. Prezzy in the spot.
We got splitting balls interview, splitting balls. Let's do it. We outside of what we call this Malcolm X Boulevard. We go hard, she go hard event. It's the energy, man. It's the fucking star. Like what? Ain't no bad Prezzy. Come on.
Yo,
I makes my peoples proud every time.
nigga was shuffling, the shaking, the hustle, the motherfucking. It was raining, it was hailing, storming, the suit.
And Pully went crazy. FrankNittii went crazy, son.
The footage on y'all too is retarded.
Come on, like that's what I'm saying. Niggas can't say I'm not the GOAT. I stand in front of niggas greatest shit. That was probably the best Quilly I ever seen. I'm tripping? Am I tripping? Exactly. I know I'm not tripping. That was the best Quilly? Alright. And what happened? I died? Hell no, nigga. Come on, niggas know what's going on. I had the Donnies talking. It was getting unusual. They ain't liking it, the shit a nigga was saying. It was getting in they feelings. Look, they over there debating the battle still. Look at them. Look, they still talk about it. That's what happens when you do what you gotta do, man. You can't tell me nothing. I'm the energy. I make niggas have their best performances. I still end up walking out well alive. This motherfuckers in the spot saying it's a classic. This motherfucker saying I beat her. This motherfucker saying great battle. There's just all type of opinions going on right now, man. Shout out to Quilly, man. I know her sisters feel like she did enough to win. Shout out to the Donnies, man. You know what I'm saying? But I see what I see. When I start wiping and looking around, a lot of baby heads started to stick up and shit. Them bitches, that Jay Gray girl, she was doing a lot, son, trying to talk while the nigga rap me. I'm telling you, that's how I know. Come on. It was like 3 of them trying to talk while I was rapping. I'm bugging, and niggas knowing, yo, shout out to bro right here, bro. When I hit the nigga with the skinny bars, he came from behind it. Nigga moved the Donnie. She said, excuse me.
Oh yeah, nah. Hold on. Yeah. This nigga got a battle tomorrow.
What's up?
Fuck the track.
Soon as I said that skinny shit, he moved the Donnie. He felt it that. I don't even know, bro. He felt it that. Son saluted me mid-battle. Come on.
It's not biased, why I fucking with yo. Southern hospitality.
I'm about to smoke JT.
Southern hospitality. Tomorrow.
Come on, man. Niggas felt that shit. It's my metabolism. Come on, man. Can't beat certain shit. We're not gonna talk about the rebuttal I did. She had some fly ass ball. They went crazy. And then I hit her with the rebuttal. The rebuttal?
Both of them.
Son.
When that footage
Son. Stop playing. I'm about to start rebuttaling.
Yes! Don't go nowhere!
Frank standing to a loud truck goes crazy.
You think you click?
This nigga Prezzy, my nigga. All I know, he's the fucking GOAT, man. Nigga, stop, yo, bro. I've been seeing this nigga battle forever, bro. Like, my fucking
Don't stop,
boy,
right?
Stop playing, bro.
Come on, bro. Think this is real. We go hard supporter, bro.
That ain't day one shit. His best battles, bro.
Every event, bro.
All his best battles, bro.
Evolving this shit.
From Styles, D-Dub, like respectfully, bro. Like first night to remember I went to. Like,
yo, listen, nobody gonna be able to tell me I got killed or none of that shit. When I had her Donnies going crazy, they started getting mad in the spot. Niggas trying to talk.
Number one, let's make
You know
that
Mike
clear.
Terror's the most unbiased person in this shit. When he gotta tell you, relax, you doing a lot, you know it's bad, bro. Like, you know it's bad, bro. Like, I heard it and like, come on, Rick.
You can't kill the president.
Come on, you can't. That's why niggas wanted me to die.
You can try to out-perform him, but you can't kill him. Like, you can't lose. Like, when the last time you ever seen him lose? I'll wait, because I was there his best battles. I'll wait. Niggas thought D-Dub was going to 3 on him. What happened? I was there, bro. Same thing with Styles. What happened? We all thought. He's like, come on, man.
Listen. This shit don't stop, bro. I'm back. I gave y'all 2 great performances. Prezzy vs. Tommy, now Prezzy vs. FrankNittii. We got Rosenberg Raw in 2 weeks. Come on, man. There's a Prezzy return. We on the tour. We 2 for 2 right now. That's how I feel. I feel like I'm 2 for 2 right now. What niggas gonna talk about, bro? Come on, what niggas gonna talk about? I just battled Ty like 2 weeks ago. I just came back, wilded it up right now. And I'm about to go back in 2 weeks, like the consistency. When niggas see the consistency, I ain't delivering no trash. shakers in that bitch. I shook the spot more than 3 times in the shit. Mind you, niggas said I had a slow start and still shook the spot plenty of times. What is niggas talking about? Rebuttaling shit and all that. Rebuttaling the like,
My son is the best.
that's what I do, nigga. It's the energy. Notice I got niggas saying it's the energy now, right? Now everybody the energy now. Where that came from? Can I get my flowers? Where that came from?
You always give me flowers.
Niggas want to do the shit with the feet now, want to spinning on top. Where that came from? The energy, nigga. Me, nigga. Take fucking notes. Niggas hate me so much because they love me, nigga. Niggas want to take my notes, use it in their battles, try to overreact when a nigga battling me, and still want to give me my flowers behind closed doors. That's the shit. That's the shit, but on camera, niggas be trying, you got amnesia. But I love it, that's how I know I'm winning overall, bro. Niggas take my formula and try to run with it, because I'm the energy, nigga. I'm the motherfucking energy, nigga. That's just how that go. Thank you for having me, Sliff and Ball, man.
All the social medias for the people, so they can tune into the
Instagram,
music
Prezzy
and all.
Pacino, that's Prezzy, Pacino, Prezzy Pacino on Instagram, Prezzy Pacino 83 on Twitter. Come on, shout man. Thank you for having me, Sliff and Ball.
Fucking energy over here. We get the
September
knowledge.
3rd, September 3rd. My boy got an event September 3rd. If it's a Tri-State, NYC.
It's not about me. It's about this man right here.
That's how we doing it.
5950.
5950. Cake life. Ah!